All right, let's go then. Coming through B. Coming through B. I want.
Oh
my
my
God. Somewhere? No shot! No shot! I did it! I found out. That's. I had the wrong laser, so I was panicking. No shot.
No shot, you won that. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. All right. No shit, Sherlock. One. I'll get A. I'm going for A. Or cover me up then. Thanks. Okay. Just stay in. Oh, right shield! Come here, bitch! Yeah, the throwing knives are fast, but they're kind of inaccurate. Nice. Trophy, bro. Fucking hell. This main hallway. Fuck. We're all dying. Why'd you go back to 8? He was hedge glitching there. I couldn't do it. Oh my god. Fucking Ryan, dog. Shit. Get the fuck out of it. Wait, we've already planted? Oh, they ain't planted alpha. Did they? Oh, am I stupid? Oh, no, I am. I was so lost. Oh, Jaeger. Ed and Jaeger? Oh, they're all here! They're all here where I died. Okay, they're all gonna be in this room. What the fuck? They're all inside this fucking hell. Put an end to this Kakarot! Yeah, in center. This map kind of sucks for bomb, you know. Okay, what do you want? You want to just go for it? Go for A again. Go for A again. Go for A and don't go in the middle. You fucking dumbass. We have a UAV too. I just realized. Wait. Wait, all of us are. Did all of us just go after him? Did all of us just go like? All right, going to B for shits and giggles. Planning at B. Join us and search. It's fun.
I ain't playing Call of Duty, bruh.
What? Cause you're bad at it?
I'm better than you almost every single time we play.
Okay, someone's at a long distance.
Don, how are you bad at almost every game you play?
Nice. Where is he? The fuck? Wait, where is he? Oh, there he is! I'm popping Getty, and we're gonna go to A. Wait, don't go in middle. Don't go in middle, brother. Don't go in middle. Got one. Who's gonna stop me? Ryan just snapshotted this place. Yo, Ryan's camping at A again, so I'm don't worry. Is there someone there? Oh. At A?
Whittington.
Fuck is he? Wait, he's going to A. Oh! What? What?
You guys see Johnny going to California and then coming back? Yeah.
Clip it, clip that, clip that, clip that, Dan. You have to clip that, bro. Hold on, I'm clicking the game chat, bro. Hey, yo, GG's, bros. GG, broskis. GG's, broskis. Good game, bro.
Y'all suck ass.
It's
showtime!